Comparing the question, comparing with a to b fx dx, what we are getting now? Fx is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 5, a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 3. H is equal to b minus a upon n. So nh is equal to 3. Now we are having these three things. nh is 3. Now writing the theorem. Limit h approaches to 0, h fa a plus h a plus 2h f a plus n minus 1h. Individually now solving them. F a is equal to, now a is what? 0, equal to f0. We are having 2 with 0 plus 3 with 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Second, f a plus h, f0 plus h. Now f0 plus h is again fh. So what we are having? 2h square plus 3h plus 5. Third, fa plus 2h, f0 plus 2h is equal to f2h. Now what we are having? F is 2h, so we are having 6h square, sorry 8h square, 2 with 2h whole square, 8h square plus 6h plus 5. F a plus n minus 1h is equal to f 0 plus n minus 1h f n minus 1 with h. Now what we are having? We are having 2 n minus 1 square h square plus 3 n minus 1 h plus 5. Now putting the values in the theorem, we are having limit h approaches to 0, h, first term 5 plus 2h square plus 3h plus 5 plus 8h square plus 6h plus 5 plus 2n minus 1 square h square plus 3n minus 1 h plus 5. Okay. Now limit h approaches to 0, h first is 5n times, 5n times plus, now taking first this term 3h as a common, we are having 3h 1 plus 2 plus n minus 1, one thing, plus now we are having 2h whole square, 2h square, sorry, then 1 plus 2 square plus n minus 1 square. Is it clear? Limit h approaches to 0, h with 5n plus 3h n minus 1 n upon 2 plus 2h square n minus 1 n 2n minus 1 upon 6. Limit h approaches to 0, 5 nh 1, 3 nh minus h and nh upon 2 plus nh minus h nh 2 nh minus h upon 3. Now putting nh is what? 3. Five with 3 plus 3, 3 minus 0, 3 upon 2 plus 3 minus 0, 3, 6 minus 0 upon 3. 15 plus 27 by 2 plus 18. Answer.